Okay, papaya in. And the orange one is carrot, nah? Tomato in. And now, this is how they do it. You see street vendor? The juice is underneath.
Yes.
When you mix, we rotate. See?
Yeah.
You see? Bruise gentle. You want to make sure everything get the sauce.
Get them together.
And then mix, and then after that, you taste them.
Yeah.
You could add more fish sauce if you want it more salty.
Yeah.
Too spicy, too sour. Maybe a bit more sugar. Or if you need more lime, please tell me. I give you more lime. And we have a fresh cabbage here. Can you eat papaya today?
Actually, I'm not on the sea, so I'm gonna get a.
You want to slide one in?
Yeah, I'll get a video of you
Alright.
doing it. Okay, ready, steady, cook.
Look at that, beautiful.
Hold on, look a bit wrong on mine.
Look at that, it's a beautiful. Good job,
Ugly does
Michael.
not mean delicious, isn't it?
Yeah, so they're mine.
Beautiful. Okay, let's put in here. Put that milk to run in. So what you do is you take the hot oil, pour on top, a little bit. I think like for me, the perfect colors are like kind of light yellow on around and orange in the middle. Yeah. Okay, put the oil underneath first before you take it out. Put it underneath first. Garlic and chili could burn fast. In the corner, try to stir them, you know. Make a lump of the chicken and stick those in the middle. I like the roasted chili. Not burn. Sometimes people like to make it fresh chili taste spicy. They add the meat first and garlic chili after. Yeah. Okay.
I'll be your helper.
Okay. Chicken rice, see that pasta to be more white. See that pink in the middle? Okay, you think chicken is cooked? Not yet?
No, not yet.
Make sure chicken is cooked. Yeah. Alright. Because this one we don't cook long.
Oh, okay.
You want to keep it crunchy. Okay, put it in. I think it looks good. Put it in now. And your sauce, and then a bit of water. Yeah. When you do chicken noodles at home, it's too hot, you can put a meatball, you can add ingredients. After you're done, you can put it higher. Spread some water, put it in. Not, yeah, that's it. And high heat. Okay, so you got everything out? Okay, good. Put in the middle. Now I make the heat high for you. Yeah.
Sorry, I got gloved it in a bit. I lost my grip. Sorry.
It's okay, we can
bird
take it
off.
down.
Bird off.
Yeah, take it down.
Sorry.
It's gonna be
Heavier
big
than I
enough.
thought.
No problem.
I'll
Some
have
people
soupy minced
we
chicken.
can cook it down, but the thing is, onion is gonna be a little bit soft.
A little bit soft. Oh, sorry.
And the sauce. People like the stir fry, kind of saucy, like sauce. Some people like it dry.
Yeah.
Like your personal, what you like.
We're having it saucy.
Saucy, no problem. It's gonna be tasty.
It'll be tasty.
It's gonna be good.
Oh, wow, that was the last time I'm your helper today.
Okay.
Getting there.
It's okay. And you can do with minced pork or chicken. You like. I use the water. You can also use chicken stock.
Oh yeah, that would be nice. Yeah.
Okay, basil in and look good. Basically, like some people like the veggies very cooked, like onion and bean. But the long bean can eat them raw. You know, the onion can eat them raw. Yeah, but it's not big deal. It's gonna be tasty still. And this stir fry, it has to be spicy and salty. We eat it mixed with the rice. You see. That's beautiful.
In England, we have a reputation for boiling our vegetables for a very, very long time. So
I know different cuisines.
exactly, we're fulfilling our national destiny.
And now put beside the rice, please. And then we throw the seed on. That one seed, the brown one that I throw, it will grow.
It's
one
hard.
plant. One plant give many rice like this. And to grow rice, it takes about 3 to 4 months. to ready to harvest. Yeah, this is almost. This is gonna be another 2 weeks. Will be
ready to
ready,
go.
yeah,
Wow,
2 to
soon.
3 weeks. Yeah.
And then when do they let the water in? What time of year is that?
This we're lucky. We do 2 times a year.
2 times a year.
Yeah, we have a dam not far from here,
Oh,
like 10
wow.
minutes with
Oh,
the dam.
cool.
So usually the government says should do once a year, especially now hot season. You have tried to save the water. Yeah, but here the people used to, they do 2 times a year. They've
Yeah.
been okay, but somehow they want to make more how's it, to grow more crop.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
to save to eat for the whole year, but also half of them for sale.
Profit.
So,
Yeah,
profit.
exactly. Yeah.
But somehow the rice is very cheap, nah?
Yes.
Like
Oh,
in
yeah.
Thailand, like when we sell to the
Staple
factory,
food,
the
yeah.
it's like 1 ton like 8,000 baht.
Wow. Very cheap.
Cheap. It is nowadays everything more expensive.
Yeah.
Actually, farmer doesn't make much.
No, exactly. No.